Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's vlog, it's a kitchen edition. I'm gonna give you one of the easiest Turkish recipe which I made at home. It named chicken rice, or in Turkey we say Tavuk Pilav. Tavuk is chicken and Pilav is rice. It's easy, delicious and fast, of course. Okay guys, let's start it. We prepare the ingredients first. Chicken, it's breast chicken 200 gram, and then I'm using a medium cup of glass, 2 cup for rice. Put aside the rice. First we will boil the chicken. Put on the boiling water, and then we add salt and black pepper. Mix well, and after that we can wait up to it's well done cook. After well done cook, we separate the chicken from the water, and we make into small pieces. Tear off the chicken into small pieces, as you can small like this. You can use a finger or you can use knife to make it small like that. Next, for the rice, we prepare butter and salt. Put the butter on the pan. Mix well up to it's melted. Add vegetable oils, or you can use olive oil instead of vegetable oils. It's okay, it's no problem. Mix well up to it's heat enough, and then we put, this is optional actually, it's like a kind of pasta, small like rice the size, but it's not really change the taste if you didn't use this one, so it's optional. You can use it or not. If not using those kind of pasta directly, we can put the rice on the pan and mix well. After we add salt, mix well. It can be wait up to around 3 minutes, so the rice a bit dry, and then after we add the chicken. Mix well again up to a rice and chicken is blended well. It's about 2 minutes. You can mix. After pouring the water from the chicken that we boiled, mix well. After mix well, we close the pan and let it cook. And when the rice are nearly well done cooked, we can open the pan and mix well again. If in Indonesia, this cooking method we say liwet. So there's a famous cook in Indonesia, we say nasi liwet. It's same like this, the process. Okay, back to the cooking. After that we close and we wait up to well done cook, and then just leave it for 10 minutes before we consume for better taste. So don't directly eating after the rice is well done cooked. You need to wait up to 10 minutes and then it's ready to serve, guys. Okay guys, it's already 10 minutes waiting and it's ready to serve now. Commonly if you eat this rice in here, usually we eat with pickles, or in Turkey we say tursu, cucumber, chili. This one is the hot one, but I need still vegetables, so I eat with broccoli, guys. That's all from now. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like it and you can try at home. I'll see you on my next video. Thanks for watching again. Bye bye.